we're going to talk about how to do one-arm dumbbell rows. You're going to grab your dumbbell, I have my power blocks here, and come over either to a bench or you can take it directly onto the floor. What we're going to do is set up in a tabletop position. So that is the same side arm and leg on the bench or on the floor. You could be in all fours right here and you could have it set up with one arm off. Since I have a bench here, I'm going to set up just like so. My shoulder is away from my ear. My shoulders and hips are square to the ground, so that means not one is up higher than the other. Wrist is directly underneath my shoulder, belly button is up and in, knees directly underneath my hip. So everything is supported properly. The entire time my core is super engaged. I'm going to grab my dumbbell in the hand that is not on the bench or on the floor, and I'm going to drop it straight down underneath that shoulder. Pulling my shoulders even to the ground, I'm going to inhale. Exhale as I pull my elbow back. Okay, inhale, drop. Exhale, pull it up. Keeping it nice and close to my body. To show you what this looks like from this side, once again, my setup is all ready. Hand is directly underneath my shoulder, knee is directly underneath my hip. You're going to drop here, nice and square. Inhale. Exhale. Pull it back. Awesome. Just like so. Elbow is nice and close to the body. And that is your one-arm dumbbell row.